वर्णिवेशरमणीयदर्शनं मन्दहासरुचिराननाम्बुजं पूजितं सुरनरोत्तमेर्मुदा धर्मनंदनमहं विचिन्तये। आप सर्व श्रीजी महाराजना लाडीला भक्तजनों, आप सर्वेने मारा भावथी जय स्वामिनारायण। Dear devotees, devotion is the most important thing to become fearless in this world. Devotion is the most important thing to become fearless in this world. Once upon a time, when Sriji Maharaj was sitting at Saranpur in a meeting, and then Narsimha Bhagat, who came from Bhavnagar to pay obeisance to Maharaj in that meeting. Bhagat was from Bhavnagar, so Sriji Maharaj said him to talk something about Bhavnagar. This way Bhagat started that once upon a time he was sitting in the court of Bhavnagar. In the court of Bhavnagar king, and in that court a man named Mulu, he came there. Bhagatji says that he did not like the way that man was speaking about Lord Swaminarayan. He was speaking too much bad things about you. I became too much angry. I got so angry that my eyes turned red and yellow. So I said him. He said in Gujarati that koda band tha. He said this in Gujarati. In English we say it's a bad word. But he did not stop. Bhagat said to him 3 to 4 times, but then also he did not stop. Meanwhile, the Bhavnagar Naresh, the king of Bhavnagar, arrives there and sees him speaking this kind of bad words, this kind of bad things. So he scolds to him that, do you know what are you speaking? Don't you know that Lord Swaminarayan is the creator of this world? He also said to him that if you will speak such kind of things again, that I will kick you out from my state. By listening this incident, God became too much happy. हे वाला भक्तों, Sriji Maharaj even said in the Vachanamrut that after coming in this satsang, our life should become like a servant. Our life should become like a servant means we shall not do anger. But Sriji Maharaj also writes that if the satsang is wasted, if any Hari Bhagat or if any sadhu is insulted, then be brave and give a retaliatory answer. Dear devotees, Lord Swaminarayan was pleased with Bhagat. So Maharaj called him near and gave a shawl of prasadi and gave a shawl. In today's time, if you want to do the darshan of this shawl, then it is also kept in the Bhota temple next to Ghanshyam Maharaj. Lastly, I would like to say, oh dear devotees, we all are very fortunate enough that God has given His true idol in the form of Jabreshwar Harikrishna Maharaj. So let's keep this idol in our heart for our whole life. So with that, in our life, the light enters and we all can get the salvation. And it's my promise to you all that if you will keep this idol in your heart for all the time, it's my promise that at last Lord Swaminarayan will come to take you at his Akshar Dham. Jai Swaminarayan.